Agriculture is evolving faster than ever. From the dawn of civilization, farming has been the backbone of human survival and progress. But today, we are witnessing a revolution in the way we grow our food. Robots, drones, and artificial intelligence are reshaping farming into a technology-driven powerhouse. Imagine fields monitored by drones providing real-time data on crop health and robotic arms harvesting crops with precision and efficiency. These innovations are not just concepts. They are being implemented in farms around the world, increasing productivity and sustainability. In this video, we'll explore the latest automation projects transforming farming forever. We'll delve into the cutting-edge technologies that are making farms smarter and more efficient. From automated tractors that can plow fields without human intervention to AI systems that predict the best times to plant and harvest, the future of farming is here. Hey folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of modern agriculture. Whether you're a farmer looking to upgrade your operations or just curious about the future of food production, this video is for you. So let's get started and see how technology is revolutionizing the way we grow our food. Autonomous tractors are revolutionizing farming. These high-tech machines are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to perform a variety of tasks without the need for a human driver. From planting seeds to harvesting crops, these tractors are designed to handle it all with precision and efficiency. John Deere has developed tractors that drive themselves using GPS navigation, sensors, and artificial intelligence to perform planting, tilling, and spraying, all without human drivers. The GPS navigation system ensures that the tractor follows the exact path needed for optimal crop growth, while the sensors monitor the soil and crop conditions in real time. This data is then processed by the AI to make adjustments on the fly, ensuring that each task is performed with the highest level of accuracy. They can operate 24/7, increasing productivity while reducing labor costs. This means that farmers can get more work done in less time and with fewer resources. Additionally, the ability to work around the clock means that these tractors can take advantage of optimal weather conditions, further enhancing their efficiency. The use of autonomous tractors is not just a step forward in farming technology. It's a leap towards a more sustainable and efficient agricultural future. Swarm robotics is the future of sustainable farming. Imagine a world where fleets of small, intelligent robots work together seamlessly to perform various agricultural tasks. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. Australian startup Swarm Farm has created fleets of small, smart robots that work together for weeding, fertilizing, and other essential farming activities. These robots are designed to operate in harmony, ensuring that each task is completed efficiently and effectively. They are capable of weeding crops, fertilizing soil, and providing meticulous crop care. One of the most significant advantages of these robots is their ability to preserve the health of the soil. Traditional farming methods often rely on heavy machinery, which can compact the soil and reduce its fertility over time. In contrast, Swarm Farm's robots are lightweight and designed to minimize soil disturbance. This not only helps in maintaining soil health, but also promotes sustainable farming practices. By reducing the reliance on heavy machinery, these robots contribute to a more eco-friendly approach to agriculture. The future of farming is here, and it's driven by innovation and sustainability. AI-powered drones are the eyes of modern farmers. They scan large fields, detect pests and diseases early, and provide real-time crop health analysis. Companies like DJI and Precision Hawk are pioneering this game-changing technology. Water is precious. Smart irrigation systems use real-time data from soil moisture sensors and weather forecasts to deliver just the right amount of water, reducing waste and increasing crop yields. Smart sensors now monitor soil conditions like pH, moisture, and nutrients. AI platforms analyze this data to help farmers make better decisions, maximizing output while minimizing waste. Harvesting fruits is now handled by robots with advanced vision systems. Companies like Agribot have developed machines that can pick delicate produce without causing damage, saving labor and boosting productivity. Indoor vertical farms use automated systems to control light temperature and nutrients. This allows for year-round production of fresh food in urban environments, even without soil or sunlight. Companies like Aero Farms are leading this revolution. AI is optimizing every part of the supply chain, from predicting demand to automating delivery routes. This ensures that fresh produce reaches consumers faster while reducing waste and costs. The future is clear. Smart farming ecosystems will combine all these technologies into one seamless operation. Autonomous machines, AI analytics, and precision agriculture will work together to feed a growing world population efficiently and sustainably. Agriculture is no longer just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Which technology impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future tech videos.